Rinse out time. Time to rinse out another tie-dye. Getting it sprayed out. You want to spray it out till the water runs clear. Then we can take it inside and hit it with the hot water. This is cold water coming out of here right now, folks. I think this one's gonna look real good. What do you think?
I think it's gonna look really, really good.
Yeah.
I'm really curious what it's gonna see, what it's gonna look like to see it dry.
Waited to wash it out under optimum conditions and everything. I think it's gonna look real amazing.
It's sat for over 24 hours. So
Yeah.
the dye should be really saturated. And we picked some really bright colors too.
Yep.
So.
Yeah, and it did sit like full 36 hours, I would say. Lens check. Okay, that's good. What's your drip deal? Is she just gonna run for it? Oh, I gotta put the light up. I keep forgetting. Oh. Look at that. Now I have hot water, warm water. Our hot water heater's cranked here, folks, if you're wondering why it's the way it is. We have to have that much cold on or else you can't put your hand into it.
Yeah, Daddy did crank it pretty high when we moved in.
We like hot water, man.
Well,
Hot means hot.
I do.
Yeah.
Ooh,
She
look
likes
at
that. That was really good. Nice gradient we got.
So far, so good.
Yeah.
I'm curious to see how this bottom part turned out.
There's front.
Yeah. You got water all in my glove.
Alrighty, folks, you ready? What do we have? Oh, wow. Look at that. Man. That is a nice scrunch. Look at that scrunch. Nice yolk on that one. Oh, yeah. Almost like a watermelon yolk. Yeah, that's cool. Cool. That looks awesome. See the backside, yeah. Both sides look really good, dude. That came out really, really good. Cool. Cool.
I'm glad it looks cute.
And here's the final result. Check that out, man. Came out really good. Almost has like a watermelon-like quality to it, but not quite. I don't know, she's just calling this one a rainbow yoke with a scrunch bottom. And vibrant yoke. I can't remember what we talked about. Yeah, came out really good. Alrighty, folks. We'll see y'all tomorrow. Y'all have a wonderful day.